Alright, what's up, guys? So, I'm playing wrestling, and this guy, truenorth1968, we just had a match, and I beat him. But this is what he said. He messaged me saying, disconnecting is a cowardly way to lose. If I would have recorded it, I would have had video proof that I beat him. Barely, but I beat him, and he raged. So now he came back again, and let's see what happens this time. He'll probably beat me because last time I barely won. I don't know how it happened, but let's see what happens this time. So truenorth1968, this is going to be the moment of truth. And I wish I would have recorded it because I would have had video proof of me beating you, not losing. That's why your rank went from 302 to 321, if you didn't notice. I mean, either way, don't know why you're trying to start a fight out of this, True North, but I mean, in my opinion, it was still a good match, even though I still won, it was still a good match, but don't know why you gotta be all sore loser about it. So like I said, we'll see what happens this time. And I'll put it to YouTube. I'll let you know, and then you can check it out. But if I win again, this time I'll have video proof. And I'm also here with Dragon Scary Pasta.
What's up, man?
Dragon Scary Pasta's back, wanting to make some more vids with me, so
I'm always back.
alright, let's get this started. Alright, True North. Moment of truth.
I don't know what this dude's issue is.
I don't know, you're a witness, dude. I beat him.
Yeah, he did beat him. In one of the weirdest ways to ever win a match, but he beat him. Guys, you gotta check this out. He beat him in a reversal. A fucking reversal.
Yeah.
Like, you know the leg sweep reversal? He beat him in the leg sweep reversal. One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
I mean, I'd be mad about that too, but you don't have to say I rage quit when you did.
Yeah, he like quit and the game froze and shit. It was bad.
Yep. Alright, True North, you gonna do the same moves? Yep, apparently you're gonna do the same moves. Alright, that's cool. Never float your boat.
Dude's got some serious issues.
Yep. That was a fail on both runs.
You know, it's really great. The fact that he's having to resort to the back body drop.
Yep.
That's nice, Ooh, that was a nice move there. Technically a front German suplex, but
It didn't even give me the option to reverse. That's cool. Yep, that's cool.
is he that mad?
Yeah, he's that man. I mean, look, dude, he went from fighting a Triple H to his own created character. You know he's mad. And then he's even more mad that he had to message me saying I was the one that disconnected. No.
You know what really pisses me off? His attire.
Yeah, he stole yours.
He stole my attire.
You done yet? No? Okay. Never end move?
God damn, I've never seen that shit happen before. How the hell is that gonna happen?
Don't know. It's kind of gay.
It's all on tape. This gay shit. It's all on tape. We're 4 minutes and 50 seconds into this match. And he's done maybe 4 moves that were different.
Ooh.
The fifth new move. He's getting ready to get pissed.
Wow. Tag you on. That's cool. That's cool, dude. That's cool. You're cool. Yep, you're cool.
That'll be another mad moment.
What the?
Seems like he was just frozen there for a minute.
Yeah,
Ooh.
dang it. I might have lost. That was kind of good. Yep, he's going. Stop taking my finishes, dude.
How's he have two?
I don't know. You're cool. You done? You want to do a third one? No? Okay. You're cool, dude. Now, are you happy now? You gonna stop messaging me?
That was epically crazy.
Yeah, the first time I won, second time you won 1-1 technically, so you happy now, dude? There's video proof now that I didn't rage quit. And I mean, dude, like, you're getting mad over a level 3 guy. Like, really? Your rank? Hold on. Alright.
He's ranked 12. He's 9.
No, he's level 12, dude.
Or level 12, you're ranked like 3.
Yeah, I'm ranked like 29,000 something. He's ranked 3 something. 321. So, there you go, dude. I mean, like, really, I've done like 10 matches and I got 8 losses. And 1 DQ. I mean, you're getting mad over a level 3 person. It's not that big of a deal, dude. So here's the fucking video. Watch it if you want, I don't care. But, well, I hope the rest of y'all enjoy it.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.